Hace tiempo recogí la experiencia de Frank, quien durante la exploración de la mina Horton experimentó algo aterrador. Escuchó sonidos muy raros que venían de algún lugar de las profundidades de la mina.
Okay, here's a final parting shot of the end of the Horton Tunnel. And there's the ore pass with all the cascading water. And what the fuck is that?
Pero Frank, en aquel momento, no se podía imaginar lo que le sucedería tiempo después, ya que la misma anécdota volvería a suceder en otra mina, solo que esta vez sería mucho peor y más peligroso. La mina Waldeck es muy antigua, puesto que sus medios de construcción son bastante primitivos y posee un terreno altamente escabroso, debido a que la maleza está adentrándose en la mina y hace que ésta se esté derrumbando por dentro. El objetivo principal de Frank era realizar un vídeo para así documentar cómo era la mina por dentro, antes de que fuese demasiado tarde y se derrumbase por completo. Antes de entrar en la mina, Frank nos enseña que su equipo, en cuestión de luces, linternas y aparatos que emiten luz, son de lo mejor que hay. Es decir, que Frank no va a quedarse sin luz ahí dentro. El problema es que nada lo podría haber preparado para lo que le iba a pasar al fondo de la mina.
More gobbing here on the left. And the tunnel keeps going straight ahead. Yeah, it's very hard to be constantly filming while trying to walk through these tunnels, kind of stooped over and tripping on rocks. It's hard to hold the camera steady and the light steady, and you know, that's why I don't do the long continuous videos. But at least this way you'll get to see how this light performs. I feel a little bit of airflow here, so there might be an opening up here to the outside. That's really dangerous. So we'll get through here as fast as we can and get out of here before this all comes down. Here's that ore chute again. And I gotta get past this chute. Wow, crazy. And then you can see how big these timbers are. That's about almost a foot in diameter, the big cross timbers. So they had to put big ones in here to hold up all of this rock. And you can see right here where some of these boards are bending. Do you hear that? Sounds like, what, is that wind? I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. Do you hear that? It stopped. Wow. I don't know what that is. That doesn't sound like wind, but that's crazy. Don't know if that's a bird or I don't know what that is. It almost sounds like snakes, but... Wow. I've heard some weird stuff in mines, but that is definitely creepy. I don't know what that is. So let's get out of here and head back out to the portal. That was weird. I don't hear it. Wow, that was strange. All right, so, Jesus. That's the Waldeck mine. Do you hear that? Sounds like, what, is that wind? I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. Do you hear that? It stopped. Wow. I don't know what that is. That doesn't sound like wind, but that's crazy. Don't know if that's a bird or... I don't know what that is. It almost sounds like snakes, but... Wow. I've heard some weird stuff in mines, but that is definitely creepy. I don't know what that is. So, let's get out of here.
Si te ha gustado el vídeo, por favor, ponle un me gusta y compártelo con tus amigos. ¡Nos vemos! Muchas gracias.